Welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, Rich Paramarket Analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday 14th of November. Looking at cable. Cable's going to be a choppy one, I think, today. It's got UK inflation that's just come out, interestingly lower than expected, so subsequently cable fell about 30 pips. It was expected that Mark Carney, the Bank of England governor, would have to write a letter to the Chancellor Philip Hammond, subsequently because of the inflation data going above 3%, but it didn't do that. It stayed flat at 3% on the headline. The core was slightly under expectation as well, so subsequently cable fell. But you've got also these Brexit negotiations, but also Brexit debate in Parliament today over amendments to the Brexit bill, and that's going to have an impact, I think, on sterling. So sterling has got politics and also economics driving it today. So what we've seen is sterling lower. It's now continuing to put pressure on this uptrend that it's been in for 12 months, 13 months. And it is again coming under pressure. A close below that uptrend, which comes in around 31 figure today, would really, I think, start to sort of break that market trend down and put added pressure sort of growing on that key range low 30.25, that range that it's been in for the past 5-6 weeks. So it looks as though the market is beginning to sort of roll over again. Look at those momentum indicators. Nothing decisive in any way really, but there is certainly a negative drift on the MACD lines, sort of a negative bias, you could argue, on the RSI and stochastics. And you've seen this market sort of rolling over again on the hourly chart. Nothing too significant yet, but just a sort of a bearish drift really within the trading range. But a test of 30.25 could well be seen as a result of that. The candle that you can see here, the latest bear candle, that is as a result of the inflation data, pretty much. And the initial support is 30.60. That protects 30.25 pretty much. And that is the range low, 30.25. But yeah, just drifting lower. I think to move to the downside is sort of the preferable test, I think, of that 30.25 support. Rallies seem to be sold into now. So wish you luck on your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.